Hi guys. In our career, if we fail to achieve something, we give so many reasons to console ourselves. Am I right? Today, I'm going to share you about a person who faced so many rejections and failures in his life, but rather complaining, he did something different in his life. That helps him to achieve the taste of success. Guess who? Jack Ma. He was born in a poor family and grew up in southeastern part of China. He flunked in primary school examinations not once but twice. He failed thrice during middle school examinations. After that, he liked to pursue higher studies. While he was applying for universities, he failed in entrance exams itself. After that, somehow he did his degree in English literature. Do you know what? He applied in Harvard University for 10 times. Each and every time he got rejections. After that, on those days, KFC restaurants were emerging globally. While KFC restaurants came to China, he recruiting people. 24 people went for the job. 23 people got the job, but he is the only person got rejected just because of his appearance. After that, he tried to get a job in police force. Even that, out of 5 people, 4 people get a job, but Jack Ma is the only person didn't get a job. Just imagine the pain, friends. After that, you know what? Likewise, he applied more than 30 times. Each and every time, he got only rejections. He decided firmly he liked to start up a small business. Even hindered, initially he faced only failures. In the year 1995, he went to USA and there he heard the word called internet first time in its life at the age of 30. He was so curious and searched in the browser the word called beer. So many results were popped out from different countries, from different corners, but there is no sign of China. That makes him so curious. After that, he typed a word called China. There is no result was popped out on those times because computers were pretty rare in China. Also, internet and emails were not even exist in China. Then he came to China. He convinced 17 of his friends to invest in his business and open a new startup called Alibaba. Initially, he faces so many struggles, but after some time, that company growth was exponential. In no time, Jack Ma became the most wealthiest and self-made billionaires in China. You may wonder, why am I telling you this story? See friends, you might be flunked in school days. You might be have arrears in college days. You might find it getting hard to get a job. But if you believe in yourself, you will convert every rejection into reasons, every failure into feedbacks, and every setbacks into success. No matter how bigger your dream may be, just believe in yourself. You will achieve just like a Jack Ma did. Never lose a hope. Just chase it.